friends, I hope you're doing well. I just want to share some more great news. One of our clients reached 5K followers, and I usually say don't focus on the numbers, but this is a very big milestone because people really work to growing a community and having engagement and all those things. And when we launched this creator program, I felt like, maybe I'm giving away too many secrets to being successful online or creating a brand online. And you know what? Everyone deserves a chance to shine on social media. This course is literally going to set you on your way to build your brand online, have a presence, let people know you for who you are and what you can do and what you can offer. So I hope you'll be able to sign up. The link is in our bio.